Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to add a header photo to your X profile on your PC using the latest update. Whether you want to showcase your brand, personality, or just refresh your look, updating your header image is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open X in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're in, look to the menu on the left side of the screen and click on your profile picture or your name to go straight to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, you'll see an Edit Profile button near the top right. Click on it. This will open up the editing interface where you can change your profile details, including your header image. To add a new header photo, click on the camera icon or the Add Header Photo area at the top of the profile editor. A file selection window will pop up. Here, choose the image you want to use from your computer. For the best results, your header photo should be 1500 by 500 pixels. This size ensures your image looks sharp and professional across all devices. Remember, the edges of your photo might be cropped on different screens, so keep any important text or branding centered and away from the corners. Once you've selected your image, you'll see a preview. If everything looks good, click Apply. You can make adjustments if needed, but avoid cropping your image too tightly, as X may crop the top and bottom on some devices. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save to update your profile. And that's it. Your new header photo is now live for everyone to see. A well-chosen header can make a big impact, so take a moment to make sure your design is centered and clear. If you want to change it again, just repeat these steps. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most of X. See you next time.